Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Imbewu, the investor wants to take her money on Maluchu, while an unknown criminal Salman is released on bail and then meet with Maharaj. The Bengu negotiate inhlawulo for Sbongile, and it seems like Sbongile is happy to hear that the Bengu family wants to make inhlawulo for her baby. While Tando and Bali both goes to the church meeting and Pexisa shamed into leaving the meeting earlier. While Tusheleni and Nomsa meet with the lawyer that will sell Msamu. Nokuzola begged the man not to go too hard, while Zagiti asked Mazulu, the angel investor of Maluchu. But it seems like Mazulu tell the truth, Zagiti, that Makosazana knows the angel investor of Maluchu. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.